We just spent $1 million launching this area to ensure that we have the best powder coated parts in the industry. Come on inside and we'll show you what it's all about. Now, the most important part is right here. But first, we're going to show you the process and we'll come back to this piece. Let's go to the far end. As everything comes out of MBRP, whether it's bent tubing, tips, tailpipes, anything, it all comes down in these big plastic bins and then gets put on to our conveyor system here. So come on down. As you can see, everything is on this long chain here. So we've got tips, mufflers, tailpipes, everything about to go through our wash. Now, this is the cleaning process for our pipes. It is extremely important to ensure proper adhesion on the unit we're coating. So we'll run down the stages. As we go through, we start off with an acid here. That's going to etch the product, clean off a lot of the debris. From there, we move into a wash. Just a simple RO water wash to clean off all of the acid before we go into the next one. We hit it with another acid, going into a pickling, and then a final rinse as well. Now, most companies operate with a 3-stage wash. We were doing that years ago. We had black coating issues. We went to this line and went internal because we went to a 5-stage wash. That's where we gain all the extra adhesion and make sure our product is the best in the industry. Let's head down to the far end and we'll show you it coming through. Now, as you can see, super dark in there, but you can see the final rinse spraying in all directions. We've got sprayers making sure every part of that product is being cleaned, rinsed off, cleaned, pickled, rinsed off again. So it's a super slow process, but that ensures that we get all contaminants off the unit. Once it comes through here, it goes on a very slow drip dry all the way back to the far end where the team takes it off the conveyor and on to the next step. So at the far end, they're putting more products on, but once it comes off, the hooks get taken off the line and put onto one of our racks here. From there, it gets moved into one of our 2 ovens. Now this big thing here is super hot. So this is our baking side, and this over here, well, that's warm. This is our drying side. So when it comes off the line, we dry everything out. That way it's ready to go into the powder coating. So that rack, just like this one, will then get pushed into our powder spray booth. So as we come in here, we operate on a manual spray system. So this allows us to control everything that we're spraying. We're not using automated guns that just go up and down. You miss areas when you do that. Our team's very dedicated to making sure all crevices, all nooks and crannies get hit, and that everything is applied evenly on these units. So we get done here, it stays on the rack, and we go to our final bake. So that rack is gonna come out, and it's gonna hit our high temperature oven here. So this is where we really bake it for a couple hours, make sure that everything is secured, adhered onto the product, and make sure it's ready to come to you. Now, last part of the process. Let's go down to the end and we'll talk about it. So, most companies will paint it black, they'll call it a day and say, great, we're done, send to the customer, we're good to go. Not here at MBRP. So this here is our internal salt spray. So anytime we're doing a run, we're testing. We're making sure that if there's any issues, we catch them here. We do this on a weekly basis to make sure that nothing's getting out to you guys. This is the backbone to what we do. Ultimate testing, making sure we're good to go. So from there, if everything's good to go, the tips you saw at the start, come through into a finished product, nicely black coated. It's gonna get bagged up so it's protected, go to our main production facility, get put into a box, and be sure to be sent your way shortly.